floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Let it rain. Oh, come on, somebody. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. Let it rain. Oh, help me, somebody. It's raining. Oh, it's raining. Whoa, it's raining.
My question is, can you stand the rain? When the rain comes, can you stand the rain? When you put on your raincoat, you gonna put on your rain boots, you gonna put on your pants, you gonna put your shirt on. Can you stand in the rain? Can you stand in the rain? There's a storm out on the ocean, and it's moving this old way. If your soul's not anchored in Jesus, you will surely drift away. Drift away, Lord. Drift away, Lord. If your soul is not anchored in Jesus, I'm rooted. I'm grounded in Jesus. I can't be shaken. I can't be moved. I can't be tumbled. I can't be knocked down because I'm sold. That famine in your life, it's now over. That depression in your life, it's now over. That financial rut in your life, it's now over. How do you know? Because the rain has come. When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. I want to let you know today, the rain has came to dry up all the dry places in your life. The rain has came. The drought is over. You say, I can't get no food. I can't go down to the river and get no water. This ain't birthing. That's not blossoming. This is not blooming. Brother, the rain has came. The rain has came. Can you stand the rain? Can you stand the rain? Oh, y'all not ready for it. Y'all not ready for it, man. What's up, Snap?